Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another real quick video. Okay, so I'm here with my Honor AS. Okay, so this phone allows you to insert two different SIM cards. Okay, so I'll be showing you how you can add and set a ringtone for each SIM card. So it's real simple to do. All you have to do is pull down the notifications and go into the settings and go to sounds. And then where it says SIM 1 ringtone, you just select that option, and from here you can select any one of these different ringtones.
We are the brave, we are the bold.
Okay, so you can just select any one of these as your ringtone and it will set automatically, or you can select to have no ringtone, or you can select a video ringtone if you have any videos stored on your device, or you can set a song which you have stored on your device as well. So you can set your own music by selecting this option here, music on device. And when you're done, just go to SIM 2 ringtone and do the same again. Just select whatever ringtone you want. And once again, you can select none if you don't want a ringtone for SIM 2, or you can select a video ringtone if you have any videos stored on your device, or you can set your own music if you have music stored on your device. So yeah, this was just my really quick video showing you how to set a ringtone for SIM card 1 and SIM card 2 on your Honor AS. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. You already know what to do. Give the video a like. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next video. Deuces.